This video is brought to you by GaryNorth.com. Staying up to date with the website via the toolbar is never easier than having it update itself with real-time RSS feeds. This stands for RDF Site Summary, or more simply, Really Simple Syndication. In other words, it takes content that is posted and then delivers it across a network directly to subscribers. So for instance, when the website posts a specific RSS feed, it appears in the list. Just click the RSS icon and the list appears. If you would like to read one of the posts, simply click it and you're taken directly to the post. These are also rotated in the toolbar at various times. Please view other videos in this series, The Benefits of Installing and Using a Custom Toolbar.